Let's take a quick look at some of the applications that we're going to be building throughout this course. This should give you an idea of what you'll be able to accomplish by the time you're done with this course. The first one is kind of the default required to-do list application. It may seem a little bit boring, but it actually covers a lot of the topics that we're going to be talking about in this course. And of course, you can click an item to mark it as completed, and we see some style changes and everything. And as kind of a capstone project to this course, you're going to be building a meme generator. And the idea is you input some top text, some bottom text, hit the button, and it will randomly choose a meme image from an API that contains meme images. Some of them are funnier than others. So get excited. React is a really exciting technology, and it's going to be an excellent tool in your tool belt as a developer.